Hey, this strategy is working like a hit for affiliates. I have created this digital card to bring more people to my affiliate funnels. Stay here because you may receive it for free. I have named it the Powerful Multiple Funnel. It helps me to show the visitors different options to become affiliated with one product. I just recommend you to present just one affiliate program in this funnel. Do not present many products or different niches, because this wouldn't work well. In this case, the target is Buildrel. When a prospect watches my videos, I will always make a call to action, like, go to the link in the description, or in the bio of my channel and touch the link. So they can learn more about how they can earn recurring commissions with Buildrel. When you open the link, you will find a digital card with 4 buttons. The first one, I present the direct link to Rapid Profit Machine, RPM, which has been successful. I've had leads organically since the second day I published this card. And many people are already earning Buildrel commissions through RPM, which is an effective tool for getting leads and recurring commissions. In the next button, I have access to learn more about the Buildrel affiliate program. For sure, you can affiliate right there. The third button will take you to a funnel to show all the tools and benefits of Buildrel, which are a lot, no one can resist. The last button gives access to test the power of Buildrel for 14 days trial. Can you see that? The whole strategy is about the same product. So, the more prospects can go to my digital card, the more I'll have leads interested in my products or services I offer. For sure, they will come back to touch those buttons in my funnel when they are ready to start the affiliate program. Apply this strategy to promote your RPM and Buildrel. I give you the Powerful Multiple Funnel for free. Just go to the link in the description or the bio. You will see a pop-up where you have to register your email and name, then you'll receive the steps to have it in your dashboard. You'll receive the step-by-step how to apply this winning strategy without investing in ads. Don't waste your time, because right now this digital card is free, but surely in a short time you will no longer see this option, or it will have a cost. Hit the link now and sign up. It's free.